Alright, so I just want to demonstrate how we get into the running configuration on Cisco routers and how to pull various pieces of information, some other settings here. So I've got a packet tracer open. First thing we want to do, at the console cable. And we're going to get into the terminal and look at the R1 configuration. So here, enable. So it already has, this packet tracer has the information already loaded. So we'll see here, we have hostname router, PBST, spanning tree mode. We can see the interfaces here, the gigabit Ethernet interfaces. There's two of them. They're not activated, so they're shut down. No duplex setting set, no bandwidth set. Bandwidth comes in later when you're doing OSPF. When you actually look at a live router in a commercial environment, you're going to see a lot more stuff. And you're going to see stuff, that you won't see until the CCIE. Okay, so we've got your two serial interfaces, clock rates set. They're also shut down. And then you've got all your fast Ethernet interfaces. In this case, there's only three. No VLAN activated. Why would it be? Nothing on your console line. Nothing on your VTY line. Okay, so we got VTY 0 to 4. So there's only four terminal lines. So that's the running config. Now, if we want to look at the NVRAM, the non-volatile RAM, so that's the startup configuration that we can load. If we don't back it up, we can always load that configuration, and it'll have the good settings in case we mess something up. So that's just show startup config. Not present. And that's because this is mimicking a first-time setup. So this is basically a router with nothing on it. Okay, that's why it's called router. That's why you had no password prompts. That's why everything's shut down, etc., etc. All right. So So we've encrypted the plain text passwords because, again, if I was to show you that prior to the command, we'd be able to pull up here and you would literally see under each of these sections the password in plain text, which is bad, obviously. Again, if we want to check what we've done, you'll see it's encrypted here. So passwords are encrypted. However, so we need to enter our password. And of course, you're going to want every router to have a message of the day just as a security parameter. Alright, so we've copy run started the command. And we do have to log into the console line. So I'll show you what I did wrong here. So just a heads up, when you are in the console line, you'd have to use the login command to have it log in. Alright, so we have done that. And as I was saying, we do want to have a banner message of the day. So And of course, if you're doing a packet tracer, they're going to want you to put exactly what it indicates in the assignment. It's not how I do it here. So let's make sure. There we go. So yeah, it's all configured. That's just basic. Those are all the basic security settings that you want to have on your router, and you'll be using those throughout if you do CCNA courses. It's a given.